Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at a LEGO MOC review for the Breaking Bad Crystal Ship RV. This was designed by the Upside Down Brick. If you wanted this LEGO MOC for yourself, jump onto our website or the link in the description below and you can get it for yourself today. And don't forget, if you do get stuck buying your bricks from Bricklink, just give us a shout, send us an email and we'll help you however we can. Without any further ado, let's jump into the review. For those of you who have watched Breaking Bad, and I'm assuming you have, considering you're looking to buy an RV from Breaking Bad, you'll know this iconic RV is how it all starts, with Walter White and Jesse Pinkman starting up their business. It appears in season 1, 2, 3 and 5, and if you didn't know, it's actually a 1986 Fleetwood Bounder. But really what's most important is the nickname that Jesse gave it was the Crystal Ship. Okay, so we have the digital file open. This is designed in Studio. If you don't know what Studio is, it's design software that pretty much most LEGO MOC designers use to digitally create their MOCs. So you can see from the start here, you've got your awning on the side, doors, windows. It's nice to see different types of windows being used too. It makes it feel a bit more unique in itself in the design. You have different techniques being used here too. You got your standard studs on top, and you got the snot technique used too. You see they're going the opposite direction to what you would normally expect to see. It's nice to see as well the different variation of bricks against tiles and studs and grills as well used. It just really adds some more texture, details to the design as a whole. The wheels, as you expect on pretty much all vehicles, they're your standard ones that come from LEGO. The different colourings as you expect to see on the RV that's on the series. I'm not sure what the actual colours are being used, but you got dark orange, yellow and dark tan. The colours look slightly different in the digital version against when you buy it. They generally look better once you have the real bricks. Let's have a quick skim around. So at the front you see you've got your main windows. You see the driver's seats, the steering wheel and the front grills and lights. On the other side there's less going on this side. But again, you've got your different types of windows, grills, bricks, plates being used in a great level of detail for what is included on the side. And on the back, you've got the ladder that you would typically use, your minifigure would use, to climb up to the top if you needed to. And your typical lights, as you do have on all vehicles. On the top, you've got ventilation systems, and these things on top, which I can never remember what they're for, but they're on all RVs. So let's have a look on the inside. We'll start off as a sneak peek. I'll take the side door off, and you can have a look in. So you can already see there's a ton of detail in there, especially if you want this for playability. When I said that, it sounds like I'm not sure many children have watched Breaking Bad, but adults play too, right? Let's take the roof off so you can have a look inside. Again, so much detail. Just the thought that's gone into this is what makes it an amazing model. So you can see you've got all the different utensils, lab materials, lab tools. You've got a helmet over there, which I'm assuming is part of the safety apparatus they wear, their high-vis sort of suits. Again, sticking to the remits of what LEGO have produced. As far as I know, they haven't made hazmat suits yet, so kind of the best as you could do. You've got vats over there, which I'm assuming is what they would have filled their contents in. And a nice feature as well, I think it shows that it's just the thought that's gone into it. You've got the curtains that divide the driver's quarters against what would have been the living quarters, but in the Crystal Ship sense, the lab. And that's about it, really. Oh, there's one thing to add as well. You may have noticed when I took the roof off, you have these plates, these modified plates, which just means that the roof can come off and on really easily. It's just connected by these 4 studs. It just makes it a lot simpler. It keeps it secure, but it also makes it easy so when you remove it, it doesn't break apart because you're trying to break away 50 studs. And that's about it for the review of this. We'll take a look at the instructions next. So here we have the instructions. They come in digital format, of course. They're not much different than you would expect when you buy a official Lego set. So as you can see, the quality is great. Even down to little details like the arrows, just to show you exactly you have 4 pieces, where to put it. Obviously it's hidden in this one. It's really not hard to see that these are going to be fine. Let's just scroll right down. So you can see again on the inside there, zoomed in on the details where you need it to be. And that's it really. So there we have it. What did you think of the Breaking Bad RV Lego MOC? The detail, the colours, the instructions, everything is great about it. If you do want it, as I said at the beginning of the video, you can get it from our website, bellevebricks.com, or go to the link in the description. It will take you straight to the page where you can purchase it and get the instructions and part list immediately. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps us grow. Thank you very much. Happy building.